How to export images in Jpeg format in Figma. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can export images in Jpeg format in Figma. In order to do so, firstly open your Figma application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, now you will land on this home page. Now from here, you will need to select any one of your drafts that you would like to export. Simply double click on it and then you will be taken to the editing space. Wait until the page loads, and once it loads, here at the right side, you will be able to locate this export option. If you didn't find this export option right here, you will need to scroll a bit down and at the very bottom, you will be able to locate the export option. Now simply click on it. After doing that, again you will need to scroll a bit down and now here you will need to select the format. Simply click on this PNG format and then a drop down menu will appear. Now here you will need to choose JPG option. Simply click on it as the format and after that click on this three dot. Here you can adjust the quality and resolution if needed, and once you're done, simply click on this export button right here. By doing so, pop-up will appear on your screen at the left top. Here now you can enter the name for your file, select the file location from the left side and then click on the save button in order to save or export this image in Jpeg. Now you can go and check your gallery in order to view the image. So by following these steps, you should be able to export images in Jpeg format in Figma. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.